Sorry about this, guys. I totally forgot. Because, yeah. Okay, so this is my little account, and they call it a micro account because it's under $1,000. It's just I took out money that, well, because I mean it's my money, so I can, so whatever. Um, but basically, what we're gonna do, okay, what I do is day trading or I trade options, either daily or weekly, or you can even buy monthly or yearly. Either way, it's an option, and it's a contract that you buy to agree to buy. I know it sounds kind of weird. Let me do this. Um, Logging in. Alright. Nope, not common sales. Give me unlock place orders. What the fuck is this? Please read and agree to the update agreements below. Continuing agreement. Okay, whatever the hell that was. I probably just agreed to give him my firstborn. I don't know. Okay, so now we are in. Finally, amount available 560. What? Oh, that's how much it costs. My bad. Right there, 560. What I do is I buy options. And options are here, and you can't see anything because it just started. The market just started. But it's pretty simple. It's just an option to buy. Right here, this is for the August 24th, 2024. The 28th. Today is the 26th. So you can agree to buy this contract that will expire on the 28th for this amount, right? And you can agree that you're going to buy it at 564. Right now it's 563. So you're betting that it's going to go up to 564. If it goes up and gets closer to that, you make money. If it goes further down away from that, you lose money. And it depends on how much it's costing right now. Like, let's look at this. There's no volume for that. Let's not look at that. Well, you know what? Fuck it. Let's see what it'll do. Okay, here we go. Volume 3. So if I were to buy this baby, it would cost me $255. The spread right here, 563 or 566. So that's $3 spread. That's a pretty big ass spread. If I were to buy this, I would be betting that it would go up or close to 564 and so forth and so on. That's what I do, options. What my sister was asking me about was how to invest. And investing is a totally different scenario because you're buying those for the long term. And if you're going to do that, my deal is dividends and long. You want to buy stocks that pay you dividends, and if you're going to leave your money there anyway for it to hopefully go up, you want to get paid for it. So like these are the ones that Exxon, definitely want to jump into Exxon. Chevron, definitely want to jump into Chevron. The where are the other ones that are really good? Well, all of these, if you just have a look at these, Fang, right now with the stock market, probably not so much. With the housing market, I'm sorry, because that realty income, oh, it actually has gone up. I mean, every one of these, look, this one's gone down a little bit, QIOD, covered cost, but this is covered cost. That is a good one to jump into because it pays you a really good dividend. So even if it goes down 20 cents, if it pays you 25 cents in dividends, you didn't lose anything, right? If I was you, if it were me and somebody gave me this, I would put a little bit into each and every one of these as much as I could. S&P 500, the SPHC, okay, high dividend yield, that's a good one. The Schwab, here it is, SCHD. I've been hearing a lot of things about this positive 42 cent change right here. So what I would do, if you see this video, I'll pause it and click on every one of these and look at it. The majority of it is green. Oracle is going down a little bit. No, it's actually changed 31%, so that kind of sucks. But if you're getting paid dividends for leaving it there anyway, if you lose $1, but they're paying you $1 for leaving it there anyway, what did you lose, right? But all of these, every single one of these pays dividends. And dividends is the money that they pay you for just leaving it, not taking your investment out. And here we go. All right, so dividends. ExxonMobil pays you $3.08 for every single stock that you have on there. This one will pay you $10 every single stock. This one's 68 cents. Bang, is fucking awesome. This one $6, and so forth and so on. Every single one of these pays you a dividend. And what you want to do, if you're going to leave your money there anyway, get paid for it, man. Why not? Oh, look, S&T just stopped paying dividends. Okay, well, you're out, motherfucker. Okay, we're going to get rid of S&T because apparently something went horribly wrong. Holy shit. Yeah, don't go for S&T. But every one of these, look, $4, $3, and sometimes this is every month. Some of these are every quarter, which every, what is that, 4, 8, 12, so every 3 months. Some of these are semi-yearly, some of these are yearly, but they all pay you for leaving your money there, which is what you were going to do anyway, right? So why not just leave it there? Like Fang, let me see Fang, $10. Let me see how quick. Oh my God, look at that. That is beautiful. What if it goes back up to here? Okay, give me a 6 month chart. I see what you're saying. So it went down, it went up. You see what's going on here? Give me a Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Okay, so it went down to here. It shot down, up. Where's my 50? Here's my 50 and my 61. So these two. So it's already above the 50 and 61. So chances are very high that it's going to continue up. It's going to get up here, at least to here. Okay, stop looking. I was just showing you. But that's where your investing is. That's what your if you want to invest money, that's what you want to do. I don't invest money. I do invest in these. That's why I have every one of these. I invest in them, and I leave them for the long term. But I don't. What I was showing yesterday, the videos, that's trading. That's totally different. And I actually am going to show you my account. I pulled a lot of money out. I'm down to $800, and I haven't done anything for a while. And I'm going to show you why. Okay, 1 year. Okay, so if you look here, if you go here, 2000, that's not right. 1 year max? No, show me max. There we go. I had money, I build money, and then I take it. I build and I take it. And I build. And when I get a pretty good little chunk, I take it and I build and I take it. And I was down here to $12. And then I build it again to up here, $8,000. And I took it and I built it again to 5,000. I thought it was like 6. Anyway, and I take it and I take more and I take more and I just keep taking it. And it's custom. No, not show me max. Here we go. And basically what I do, you make a little bit of money. You're not gonna get rich off of it. Well, I guess you could if you just let it keep going. But things happen, right? Like last year, here somewhere, 5, 6, 7, 8, around here is where I had a little bit of money, but my girl got sick, and so I had to take time off to help her with. She was having a major operation, and she wasn't going to be able to function by herself. So I had to take time off of work. So I took money out. This is the whole reason you do this, so that you can have money when you need it. Here, I've taken money out here. Why? Because I didn't want to go to work. I had, you know, little things that I had to take care of, and I have this luxury that I could just make a little bit and not have to go to work. So here I'm at 1,700. So I took what, 1,000 out, close to, somewhere around there. So, oh, look at that! Isn't that sweet? Profit. So that is the whole reason I do this. I could make a lot more if I left it in there, but things happen, right? S&P 500. Talk to me. Come on. Okay, so we are going to get rid of this. Oh, I'm on SPY. This is SPY. Where is my... Okay, so we are in an uptrend. If we look at it this way, give me 1 month, because I know it was on an uptrend. So it's going up, it's coming down, down to here. It's been going up. Now it's kind of curving and straightening out. So what do we think it's going to do? I don't know. Let's go to 1 day. 1 day, we're going to 1 minute. It was up, it's fighting, it's fighting. It's fighting. It went up to here. It looks like it's not going to win. So we want the low of the day and the high Fibonacci retracement. We want this to here, which obviously that's as high as it went. Right? Give me white just because white is right. Homeboy hates when I say that shit. Fuck you, you racist bastard. So if you see it hit here, okay, starting off today, went way down here, tested this level, all the way up to here, tested this level, didn't work out, came back down, tested this level, tried to reach this level, came back up. So it's been fighting these two all the way down to this third one here, and it's still fighting this third one. So what do we think is going to happen? Do we believe it's going to keep going? What you got to see is how much selling is going on. So this was a huge sell-off. They might not have any more sellers, which is why it's going green. Let's get on a regular candle. And if you see down, up, down, down. The Hashani, it shows you the Ainki, it shows you the trend, basically. If you see that, it'll show you trending red, trending red, trending. But and then if you hit this one, it shows you the regular candles. Was it red? Was it green? So this is showing red, green. So it's up to you. You have to take different indicators. But this is what I trade. All right, let me just show you one real quick. Let me bring it out. Okay, let's say I wanted to trade 564. It's at 563 right now. Let's do 563. We want to get 563 at 24. We want to click that. It's August the 28th. Okay, we're going to click that, baby. We're going to say, you want to buy this for $321. Market, you're going to buy it at market. And it's already losing money. Look at that. So if I were to click on that, I'd be losing right now. I don't believe it's going to go down. I mean, it's going to go up. It looks like it's on a downtrend. In fact, that dude yesterday that I shared was talking about how it's going to go. Today's going to be horribly crazy as far as the market goes. And honestly, I don't blame him. Usually around 9:30 is when the market corrects itself. So here. So you want to stay out of it until about this point. Anywhere in here would probably be the better thing. But you're looking at what the market's doing. and you react. Or you, oh, here, let me show you. Okay, let me find a cheap one because that's a lot of money. Dun, dun, dun. Show me dividends alone. $21. There's $21 right there. Oh, here's $6. Here's $5. Okay, let's do that one. $5. Y'all see that? As $5. So it's going up. It came down. If I wanted to buy it, damn, this one looks like shit. No, I don't want to do that. I was gonna show you with that one, but oh, here's $1. You can't beat $1. It looks like shit too. So it's going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, well, whatever. All right, this is just for examples anyway. Give me one day. One day it's going flatter than shit, right? Okay, it's $1. Nobody's really, I mean, there's no volume in it whatsoever. Nobody gives a fat rat's foot about it. Let's say I wanted to buy this. I would go up here. I would buy one at market, and there's different ways you can do that. You can either buy it either at market or with stop limits and stuff like that, trailing stop loss. Nobody cares. A stop limit means I'll buy it, but if it starts going down, I want you to stop it, to sell it, right? A trailing stop loss means if it's going up, I want there to be another little tail trailing behind me, I guess. So if it keeps going up, that's great, that's great, that's great, and the little tail is following me. But once it starts coming down, that little tail will cut it, and that's where I'll sell. Basically, that's all that means. If you buy a market, you buy whatever the market is setting for right now. So it's setting at $1.74. If you buy it at a limit, that says the limit says this is what I'm willing to pay, not a penny more, right? And then this is how many you want to buy. So I'm gonna buy one at $1.74, right? Buy S&T. Yeah, I'm confirming that I'm going to buy this for blah blah blah. Yes, I am. I submitted it, and it should give me a. You bought it, bro. Oh, there it is. I bought it for $1.74. Awesome. That's investing, where you invest your money into a stock. I don't think this one's gonna have options. Yeah, I didn't think so. I mean, why would it? It's so little. So, yeah, I didn't think it would. Options trader? No. No, I hate that. I don't. It's just the way they set up the platform. I don't like it. So, but it's 560. Here we go. 563. Let's click on 563. All right, we want to buy at 563. It's going to cost us 131 paid. But if we were to buy it and it's going down, that sucks. That's why you need different indicators. Here is Thinkorswim from Charles Schwab. They have their own platform, and the reason I like this is because, okay, let's go to the 1 hour 20 day. You go to 1 hour 20 days, you'll see that it's going up. This is over the past 20 days. It went up, and it's kind of consolidating right here. Alright? So it's going up. It tried to get up here, which is where it's at now. If you follow the little white line across, see that? It's trying to get to this point again. Alright? And it's getting there. And now it's kind of like, okay, we reached the limit. And if you look at it, the buying has been going up. Whole bunch of buying, whole bunch of buying, whole bunch of buying. And now it's kind of like exhausting. So it's probably on its way down. See, it changed from green to red. So it's on its way down. So 20 days, you don't want to buy when it's going down. So you go to the 1 minute. No, I want to do 1 minute. 15 minutes. Let's do 15 minutes. Alright, so it's going up here to that, up here to that. It got to there, and it's kind of exhausted now. Up here. It tried to go up 563, but it couldn't touch it, and now it's on its way down. huge legs down. So they're trying to. It sold all the way down to here, but they were trying to set it down here. Then it came and it sold lower to this point, but they were trying to set it even lower. So it's on this big. If you follow the deal right here, that was all buying. The buyers are burned out. They're exhausted. Now we're in a sell trend. So all of this is sell trend. So we went into the day selling. There was a whole bunch of movement here where the buyers tried to jump on it and turn it around, but it didn't work. There's too many people selling. So we go to the 1 minute. If you go to the 1 minute, it's a whole bunch of selling. Buy, sell, buy, sell. But if you notice, the trend is it's steadily going down. All that, I told you 9:30, right? I told you that. So a whole bunch of buying, then it's a whole bunch of selling, and now the selling is starting to stop, and now we're getting a whole bunch of buying again. You see the way it's going back up? Sellers are done. Everybody who's trying to sell is pretty much sold. So we just gotta wait a little bit longer. I figure around 9:30, and we should be in a buying position, in the position to be able to buy if the market starts to correct itself. But I mean, basically that's what I do. This is what I do. I know it's kind of weird, but it's totally different than investing. You buy this for the day. This is the 26th. You buy this on the 26th and it expires at the end of the day. So you either made that money or you lost money today. And it's not like, well, I just wait till it, goes up in value and that the contract cancels at the end of the day. Or you can choose the day that you want it to cancel. You can wait for tomorrow, the next week, next month. You can go all the way December of 26. That's what, 4, 5, 6, 2 years from now. You can buy, and right. So okay, see now, like look at this little bastard. Okay, so 536, 560 is going down. All right, 120, 562. What do you think is going to happen? I don't know. According to Thinkorswim, it's on the green now. It's going up. Alright? According to Thinkorswim, all the selling got done. Now it's starting to go up. So what we're going to do, let me show you. Fuck, let's do it. Why not? Okay, let it go down. Drink some coffee, because, yeah. What are we at right now? 562. All right, let me buy 562. I'm gonna buy 186 for today. Oh no. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait a little bit longer, man, because it's supposed to come down. What is this? 562.61. Yeah, we're gonna wait a little bit longer. It's coming down. It's coming down. Okay, according to Thinkorswim, lying little bastards, am I on the Hashani or what? I don't want the Hashani. Yep. Okay, just give me the regular candles, man. No, I don't want bars. I don't want candle trend. I just want the regular bars. Okay. So we're on a nice, pretty low downtrend now. All the sellers are starting to lose out. So this should be a buy. It's not a guarantee though. But we're gonna try. So we're gonna shut that down. Apparently all the sellers are getting exhausted. If we come back up here, I don't have time to sell. Why would I give a shit about time to sell? Well, I mean, you kind of want that, yeah, for different stuff, but not right now. Level 2, now level 2 is something you could want. Here we go. Where's fingers on? Right here. So if I wanted to know what was going on, I do level 2. And level 2 basically tells you what people want to buy and why and at what price. So we are on the SPY, and these are all the different companies that are buying contracts that want to buy. These are all the companies that want to sell, right? So this is the bid price and the asking price. This is what they want, and this is what they're willing to pay. So 562, everybody's at 562, right? And these are how many contracts? 40 at 562, period. 40 at 562.60. So he wants 60 cents more per contract than he's willing to pay, right? And basically, you look down here, you can see 561, there's 40 contracts there. Nobody's willing to sell that at a price. But if it goes down to that, seeing that's 562.19, it might just get there. 562.50, 562, so forth and so on. So that is, there's steady, okay, and then you see what they want. So 562 is pretty good, and then under that 570 is what they want. 563, 569, so it's a huge jump up if they do 562, 560, 580, a huge jump down if they alright, so it's 562 period is where you're gonna have a huge question mark right there. Bring it down. See, it was starting to get over, and now there's a whole bunch of people trying to sell again. So, do we want to jump into this? No. Now here's the trend. It's going down, right? So that's another thing you can do. Instead of buying to go up, you can buy to go down. So let's say, so these are puts. You can buy to go down. So 563, you can buy at 563 volume and bring it down 134. You can sell for it to go down. You can buy an order for it to go down. Now, would you want to do that? I don't know. You might. It's a question. See, you want to place an order, it's going to be, okay, please check the risk below. You've selected an option position that expiring today. So if you do that, realize that we're going to position. Reminder, a GFV occurs when a cash account buys a position with unsettled funds and liquidates before the settlement date of the sale that generated the proceeds. So if you buy this, realize that the other person can basically, hopefully it didn't. Did it? Fuck me. Oh, I did. I bought it right there. See? And because it's going down, I'm making money. See? The option is going down, so now it went up. So now I'm losing money. That quick. I mean, that fucking quick. And it's going down more. So the further it goes down, the more money I'll make. See that? So that's how that works. Keep going down, mother. There you go. There it goes. $13. I mean, this is quick. It's only one option. If I would have bought 10, that'd have been $130 right there. Close market, place order. And I'm closing it. And I got out of it. That quick. I got fuck out. I'm done. I'm not trying to. Did I even make any money on that one? I don't think so. I was just showing y'all what I was doing. I lost $6. Ain't that a bitch? Wait, no. 5 day, month. Why does it show? Okay, account details. No, account performance. Positive 6 months. See, in dividends, I'm making money. Okay, these are what I'm telling you about. Dividends, they're paying me every month just for leaving the money there. I mean, which I'm leaving the money there. Look at how much I'm getting paid just for leaving it. This month I got $66 just in fucking dividends. Account perform profit and loss overall trading. I traded this month. I don't remember doing that. No, that ain't right. Oh shit, I guess I did. Spider, I made $100. Nice. Account details. I bought it at 541. I sold it at 558. So I guess I did make a little bit. Why isn't it showing it? No, not. So you can tell I do this a lot, right? Yeah. Account details. Profit and loss. Okay, let's do. That is account. Dingbat. Oh, here we go. Buy profit and loss. It's not showing me. So I bought options. I bought it at 99.66. I sold it at 101 for a profit of $1. Is that right? All right. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I did. So that's what I do on a longer time frame, because that's crazy right there to do it. Some people do it daily, but you run a huge risk of fuck it up. Basically, see, like I sold it, I bought it here, sold it. No, I bought it here, sold it here, made a little bit. If it would have been 10 contracts instead of $1, it would have been 100 and stuff like that. If I'd have just let it keep going, look, it's going. It would have been making me money. The only problem with daily options is that they expire at the end of the day, and the longer it closer it gets to the end of the day, the more they're worthless. So I don't really like to do that. I like to do it at least a week out or a month out. So if like today's the 26th, I'll buy it for like the 2nd or the 26th of the next month. So the 26th of September, around there. See, so like here or here. So let's do this one, and we would see that if I bought it for 52, my next it would cost me a crap load, $1,000, right? So the further out you go, because there's a greater chance of you succeeding, it's going to cost more. But that's okay, because if you're looking at your deal and you're looking and it's showing you that it's on an uptrend, right? And if it was a steadily up like this, and you don't mind spending the money because you know there's a high probability that you're going to succeed. Right here, not so much, because it's on an uptrend, but then it reached all the way to its high, which is here, 564, and it hasn't gone past that, right? So it's starting to do like a little curve, so not a good idea. So yeah, basically that's what I do. Again, I just showed you a little options that I did, and I showed you a little bit of investing that I did. I showed you again the chart of what I would jump into. Definitely, except for that one that isn't paying dividends anymore, because, you know, why the hell not? Where am I at? Every single one of these. Look at this, ConocoPhillips, $3 right here, consolidated edition. Every one of these is paying you a dividend. That's not $3,000, that's $3. Just FYI. And this might be 72 cents, but it might be a month. Some of them pay monthly. Some of them pay. Well, I already told you that. So if this is paying $1, but it's yearly, and this is paying 72 cents, but it's quarterly. Well, you make out more with this than you would with that, right? So this looks like a larger amount, but look at this one. It's a buy and royalty. Except here it is. This one I got to get rid of that one. But all the other ones, I would look at those and I would invest in them. This is the one that it says is paying like a 20%. Yeah, I would definitely jump into. Not a little bit, like I said, I would put money into every single one of these. I have money in every single one of these. This is where I would go. So, I know it's been long enough. I'm sorry. And yeah, let's go ahead and shut this down.